Samsung Galaxy Note 8 display assembly repair. Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a power down your Samsung Galaxy Note 8 phone. Eject the SIM card and microSD card tray. Smoothly remove the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 S Pen. The Galaxy Note 8 rear glass panel is glued on solidly. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. With the precision knife, create enough space to insert a playing card. Attack the sticky adhesive and carefully crack open the Note 8. You'll need to detach the very short fingerprint sensor cable from the motherboard before completely moving the glass out of the way. Use the spudger to help free the Galaxy Note 8 fingerprint reader from the adhesive, securing it to the rear panel. Remove the following 16 Phillips screws. Pry up the mid-frame, NFC antenna, and key wireless charging coil combo. With the maxed out mid-frame out of the way, easily lift out the bottom loudspeaker assembly. Disconnect the Note 8 battery cable from the motherboard. The Samsung SDI-made battery is well wedged and adhered in place. Use the spudger to dig it free from the adhesive securing it to the phone. After a brief struggle, out comes the 3.85-volt 3300 mAh Samsung Galaxy Note 8 battery. Remove the following Phillips screw. Spudge up the bevy of cables from the Galaxy Note 8 motherboard. Use the flat end of the spudger to detach the daughter board connector on the underside of the motherboard, then extract it from the Samsung phone. Remove the following Phillips screw. Detach and extricate the 3.5mm modular Note 8 headphone jack. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws. With the spudger in hand, pry the daughter board up from the frame. It includes the Note 8 USB-C port and primary microphone. The next component to surrender is a front-facing sensor array that contains the status LED, the IR emitter and camera, and the proximity sensor. Tweeze out the Note 8 earpiece speaker, followed by the spring contact connected vibrator. Remove the Note 8 volume and Bixby buttons cable, followed by the power button cable. The power, Bixby, and volume button covers are trapped within the outer case and can't be removed. Begin to free the edge-to-edge 6.3-inch Super AMOLED display assembly by using the heat gun to warm up the adhesive. Use playing cards to attack the adhesive, securing the curved display to the Note 8 interior frame. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you've sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the cables when decoupling the Galaxy Note 8 screen from the frame.